Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Download and install the LENSA app from your device's App Store, whether you're on iOS or Android. Once installed, open the app and create an account using your email or social media login. This takes just a couple minutes and gets you set up to start creating. Step 2. Take or upload a clear photo of yourself that the app will use as a reference. Make sure the lighting is decent and your face is clearly visible. You'll want at least 5 to 10 photos so the algorithm can learn your features and style preferences accurately. Step 3. Choose your desired art style from the available collection. LENSA offers tons of options like fantasy, anime, oil painting, cyberpunk, and Renaissance styles. Browse through the gallery and pick whichever ones appeal to you most for your final result. Step 4. Adjust your settings before generating. You can customize things like background preference, color tone, and specific details you want emphasized in your final image. Take time to explore these options so your output matches your vision. Step 5. Hit the Generate button and wait for the app to process your request. The AI will create multiple variations of your photo in your chosen style. Once complete, you can preview all versions, pick your favorite, and download it directly to your phone or save it to your cloud storage for later use.